In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy and vibrant garden can be a challenge. However, what if we told you that there's a simple and cost-effective way to ensure your plants remain hydrated even when you're not around? Welcome to the world of DIY plant watering systems, a method that brings together creativity, sustainability, and practicality. Let's begin our journey with a few essential materials. You'll need a plastic bottle, an excellent way to repurpose and recycle, some tubing or wicks, and a nail or small drill for puncturing holes. The beauty of this system is its adaptability, so feel free to modify according to your specific plant's needs or the resources you have available. Start by taking the plastic bottle, which will serve as your reservoir. Drill or puncture a small hole in the cap, ensuring that it's large enough to fit the tubing or wick, but not so large that water leaks out uncontrollably. This precise fit allows for a slower, controlled release of water, mimicking the steady rain plants naturally crave. Next, insert one end of the tubing through the hole in the cap. This tubing acts as a conduit for water to reach the plant's roots, the place where hydration matters most. The system works best when gravity assists, so position the bottle higher than the plant's soil surface, for example, by securing it to a stake or a garden post. Speaking of positioning, it's important to anchor the other end of the tubing or wick near the root zone of your plant. This ensures that as the water travels, it directly nourishes the roots, maximizing the efficiency of your DIY system. Make sure the tubing lies flat against the soil for optimal absorption. Let's briefly discuss the science behind this simple yet effective method. As your soil dries out, it naturally wicks water from the tube. This self-regulating process means your plants get just the right amount of hydration. No more, no less. Plus, it saves you time, money, and conserves water, making it an eco-friendly solution. Now, if you're contemplating going a step further, consider adding a timer-controlled valve to your setup. This small addition can transform your DIY project into a precise irrigation system, allowing you to dictate watering schedules with minimal effort. Imagine the convenience of knowing your plants are cared for even while you're away on holiday. As we conclude, remember that crafting a DIY plant watering system is more than just a creative project. It's a step towards sustainable living. By taking control of your watering needs, you're ensuring a thriving garden with less environmental impact and more personal satisfaction. So next time you wander through your lush garden, take pride in knowing each plant stands tall and healthy, nurtured by the system you built with just a few simple items. And there you have it, an uncomplicated yet effective way to keep your plants happy and hydrated. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this method is both accessible and rewarding. We encourage you to give it a try and watch how your garden blossoms under your innovative care. Until next time, happy gardening!